The first way to ruin your life? Distract yourself as much as possible. Watch TikToks all day, take drugs, play video games, whatever it takes to escape reality. The less you think, the better. But ruining your mind isn't enough. Make sure you destroy your body too. Eat as much unhealthy food as possible, and never work out. Because who cares if you're unhealthy? And let's be real, working out sucks. But none of this is free, and you're gonna need money to keep fueling the cycle. And that means work. But if you have to get a job, make sure it's one you hate. One that drains you every single day but pays just enough money to keep you trapped. But hey, at least you'll have enough to order more junk food. Speaking of money, whatever you earn, make sure to spend it all. Never save, never invest, and definitely go into debt. Because why should future you have anything to fall back on? And while we're on the topic of self-sabotage, let's make sure you stay as unprepared for life as possible. Never learn anything. Don't read books, don't try new things, don't develop any skills. Just wake up, go to work, come home, distract, sleep, and repeat. And if you ever get the idea that you could be more, shut it down immediately. Better yet, convince yourself you never had potential in the first place. Never believe in yourself. You're not special. Confidence is for people with a future. You should just accept that life is meaningless. And once you've convinced yourself of that, there's only one thing left to do. Turn that self-doubt into self-hatred. Pick apart every flaw, every mistake, every insecurity. Make sure you never let yourself forget them. Be your own worst enemy. And once you hate yourself enough, start looking for someone else to blame. Hate everyone. Assume the worst in people. Push away anyone who tries to get close. Convince yourself that relationships are pointless, that no one understands you, and that being alone is just who you are. And since you're already on your own, might as well make it permanent. Never fall in love. Never start a family. Never build anything meaningful. Just tell yourself that love is a trap, that connection is a weakness, and that being completely alone is somehow the better option. And finally, to make sure there's no turning back, have no purpose. Purpose gives people direction, a reason to keep going. So if you really want to ruin your life, make sure you never find one. Float through life with no goals, no drive, no meaning, just waiting for something to change, while doing absolutely nothing to change it. Hopefully, you learned exactly how to ruin your life.